Hey, good afternoon.
Turn left onto Oak Road.
Philip here coming back at you. Still Wednesday, June 28th, 2023. I'm up here in Clinton, Tennessee. We'll be kind of driving to the West Knoxville area. We'll go over and look at for another job over in this area. So we'll be taking some back roads and see what we can come up with. See if there's anything good to look at. But I appreciate you guys watching my vlogs and stuff I've got.
Then turn left onto Forest Circle.
Please leave a comment on anything I can do better on this channel. Like I said, I'm a new channel. I'm working on getting that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So anything you guys can do to help, I'd surely really appreciate it. Because I really like to do a lot of live blogs here on YouTube and bring a lot of the Smoky Mountains to you and your family and your friends and loved ones. But like and subscribe, share the video,
turn left onto Forest Circle.
And I'm gonna flip this camera around and see where we're heading to here. All right, enjoy. Thank you. Yeah, now we're on the Clinton Highway. We're turning on Pleasant Ridge Road, about 3.5 miles here. Looks like an old salvage yard, pretty much. Ridge Runner Motors. Lambert's Auto Parts and Sales. Lambert's, that reminds me of Lambert's down in Branson and Gulf Shores. House throwing dinner rolls. That's a good place to eat there now. If you leave hungry from there, there's something wrong. I like the fried chicken. They got some good crust on that chicken. Fried okra is good. Dinner rolls are good too. But don't want to get filled up on them. That ruins all your other food you want to eat. Had to stop and give me an icy. I like these cherry ices. She loves those blueberry ices. Naomi, she chooses either one of them. She likes the blue or the red. And I'll tell you what, that baby can drink them down. Put that straw in her mouth, she just keeps drinking and drinking, just like she does water or pop or whatever it is. I just don't see how a little kid can drink so much. I'd have a stomach ache. There's a Dollar General Market and the Goodwill.
Stay in the second lane from right.
City up here. Got a little nursery off to the right. Some tropical plants. Looks like Florida, South Carolina from the south. Marco's Pizza. I don't think I've ever tried the Marco's Pizza. I like the one up in Austin, Indiana. It's a mom and pop place, but I tell you what, that's really good pizza. And it's pretty cheap. A lot cheaper than the big brand stores too. So you think if the mom and pops could sell it that cheap?
In 1 mile,
Pizza Hut and the rest of these other ones can follow along, especially when they buy in bulk quality. Oakwood Homes. Bakery outlet. I remember when Hostess and all of them used to have those bread outlets and stuff. Butternut. I'm trying to think of all the ones that used to have those.
Use the right lane to take a slight right turn onto Pleasant Ridge
Those
Road.
apple pies, cherry turnovers, and things like that. And one snack cake I really miss. My grandma used to get them all the time, but then I started getting them. They quit making them. I think that was called banana flips or something like that. Oh man, I tell you what, those were good.
Take a slight right turn.
So we're turning right here. Assuming this is a one-lane road here. 2 speed bumps. King Collision Repair,
At the next
Northgate
line,
Parts,
turn right.
Mobile Home Parts. Wallace Commercial. We're on the back side of Walmart here. Public auction and real estate. There's the auto auction there. So this is down by the industrial park, I'm assuming. Taylor Enterprises.
At the light, turn right onto Shad Road.
Turning on
In
the
1 mile, turn
Ball
left onto
Camp Road
Amherst
here.
Road.
Not much out this way besides homes and stuff. Some farmland subdivisions. Weed-eating hillside. Tall sunflowers back here. Seems like it's awful quick for those things. When I lived up in Indiana, most of the time they didn't
At
get
the
that
next
tall to
line,
be able to head
turn
on
left.
until about end of July. Kind of a narrow road for a lot of traffic.
At the light, turn left onto Amherst Road.
This is kind of, I heard, like going to Oak Ridge, Tennessee here. But we're not going into Oak Ridge.
In 1.3 miles, turn right onto Piney Grove Church Road.
New homes out that way going up. Look like 2- and 3-story homes there. Vinyl sided homes. like a nice little mobile home park though. There we go. That's what I like right here, in between trees. This is great on a hot day. Very humid today. I think the heat index is supposed to be like 94 today.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
There's another mobile home park. Looks like a nice place. Yeah, you go down to Florida, you see a lot of those homes.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Piney Grove Church Road.
They're really cozy looking down there, with all the little palm trees around, and people like to look. There might be older mobile home parks, but they take care of them. Yeah, I see why a lot of people retire down there in that area.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left onto Piney Grove Church Road.
But I like my palm trees, like anything tropical like that. Got about 5 minutes left on this little trip.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
Trying to bring you shorter videos, that way they don't burn you out and watch long ones. Hope everybody's having an awesome day today. I appreciate you guys watching these videos, and like I said, we appreciate, me and my wife, we appreciate any likes or comments we can get, and subscribers.
At the stop sign.